There's our buddy Herbie the Birdie. Store mascot. Oh, hey buddy. How you doing? Look at this guy go, eh? Come on. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I hear you. Uh-huh. I know. Oh. There it goes. Our beloved Herbie the Birdie. Having himself another wonderful time. There he is. Anybody? Oh, there he is. Ooh, there he goes on the move. Just another night with our boy Herbie the Birdie.